Hello there, it's me again, Nick, from the EOS Education team here at Boxlight. And today I'm excited to share some more information with you about your MimioPro 4 panel. Specifically, I want to share with you about accessing, downloading, and installing apps using the Cleverstore. So to begin with, we're going to locate the Cleverstore either from our home screen in the Apps waffle or from our side toolbar, also in the Apps waffle. And we'll notice that Cleverstore is listed right there in the top portion of that menu. We'll give that a moment to populate. And while we do, I'll mention to you that there are a wide variety of different apps that you're able to download and install on your panel. Most of them will be available to you for free, so definitely check those pieces out. To begin with, I'm going to go to the marketplace. This is probably where it will begin for you the first time that you go to the Cleverstore. Now, in order to search for a new app to download, you've got two options, and they're both located in the top right-hand portion of your screen. Now, I have Browse and I have the magnifying glass, so I'm going to start with the magnifying glass. And you'll notice that my on-screen keyboard immediately pops up because I already have my cursor available for me in the search bar. So, depending on what tool it was that I wanted to download, as I start typing, it's already searching and trying to find something that matches my search title. Now you'll notice when I select it that it gives me an option up here to try the free edition. It might say download, it might say a couple of things, but for me right now, this one says try the free edition. Once I click on that, it takes me to a payment screen. Yes, this is a free app to download, but it's still keeping a record of that for you. I'll click next. And I'll patiently wait while it moves into this next piece. Now, I'm finished downloading this app for right now, so I'm going to go to My Apps. My Apps is available to you from any point if you go to the upper left hamburger menu icon, and then you search for My Apps, okay? But you'll notice on this screen that I've got one that says Ready. I've got a few that say Download. What that means is that I'm only part of the way done adding this app to my panel right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap Excel, and I notice that that now shifts to downloading. And so I'll give that a moment. What we're waiting for is for it to put all of the necessary information there for us to then finally install. Yes, we want to install that app. And now that that's done, I'm going to click Done instead of Open, because I'm now going to go back over to my Apps waffle, either from my home screen or on my side toolbar, and I'm going to look for that. Do I see Excel on here available yet? There it is, right there on that second page of my apps that are available to me. So just like that. Now I'm going to go back into the Cleverstore because we have one additional way that we can share and search for different apps to download. So, I mentioned in this top right-hand corner from the marketplace, the magnifying glass. But now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use this browse function. And when I use the browse function, you'll notice that two different menus populate on the screen. On the left-hand side, I've got these category types. And on the right-hand side, I've got the different apps that are available within that category. So right now, we're looking at all applications, and everything will be over there. I can use these different category types in order to filter down each of these tools and search that way. So if you don't have a specific application that you're looking for, you're just looking for an application that perhaps does a certain function, you can browse instead of searching directly with the magnifying glass. Either way, you're going to be able to access a number of great resources to use in your classroom environment, and I hope that you're as excited as I am about it. Have a great day.